Okay, this is my little tiger lily.
This is who?
Tiger lily.
Tiger Lily. She's a cutie now.
She's a female.
Okay, let's see her head up a little more.
Almost all gray.
Yes, look at that cute face. Okay. We'll get her down there and she'll go to walking with others.
This is the other little girl, Paisley.
Boy, look at that. Man, oh man, here, let me get this little. There we go.
They're tiny and petite.
Oh, she's a dandy now. Look at that cute face. Okay. She gets down there. Boy, she's colored up good, I think. I kind of like the spotted ones a little better.
This is my tan one. His name is Denver.
Denver. Here's Denver. Okay. At the back here. Okay. Mr. Denver. Oh, everybody's looking perky, ain't they?
This one is Lucas.
Lucas. There's Lucas. He got that dot right there now. I like the dots. Okay. Lucas, Mr. Lucas. Lucas Oil. Says I don't like that scrunchy.
Grayson.
Grayson. This is Grayson. Oh, look at that pretty thing, would you? This is a boy, though.
Yes.
Had two girls at the first, the rest of them's boys.
This one is Silver.
Silver.
Because he's silver.
Yeah, he's silver. Got a little bit of white on him right there. Okay.
This little guy is Ryder.
Head up a little more. There we go. See his face a little better, okay. This is who again?
Ryder.
Ryder. Okay, there's Ryder.
And this one is Jax.
Is it, who?
Jax.
Okay, turn his head up a little more. There we go. Okay, to the back. Alrighty, that's pretty good pictures.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if we can't get him to walk around a little. Come here.
Come on, come on. Yeah, come on. Here we go.
I need to get right over here because of the sun. There we go. They're still not real spunky yet. They're in the weaning process.
And they don't like it.
And they don't like it. It takes a lot of time to get them like this. And Miss Kathy, she takes care of that. She puts a lot of time into it to make them very sociable when they go to another place, because they'll lick you right in the face.
Yes.
Another place, lick you right in the face. That kind of rhymed. Yeah. They look pretty good. Oh, you're just up here to get the shot?
Yeah.
Huh? They don't like them scrunchies on them.
It makes them itch.
Yeah, it makes them itch. Alrighty. Put that over there and we'll call her quits. Alrighty. We'll see you next week.